Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome in today's video. As you can see here on my screen, I have an MT4 chart, and here is an indicator which is called Ultimate Trend Following Indicator. This indicator helps you identify a trend reversal quickly and accurately. This indicator, if you want to buy it, you can buy it at the price of 200. Here it is. Here is the official website of this indicator, and you can buy it with $259, as you can see here. But in today's video, I will show you what's all about this indicator, and also how you can download for free the cracked version of this indicator, which is quite the same, and it's doing its job. I'm using it for a few weeks on my MT4 platform, and it's working great. So if you want to have this indicator, stay here until the end of this video. And of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, my dear traders. I hope everybody is well today. So this video is about the forex trading indicator, ultimate trend following indicator. So in this video, I'll show you what's all about this indicator, and at the end of this video, I will show you how to download this indicator, to automatically download this indicator for free, because as I told you in the intro of this video, this is a paid indicator. Let me go ahead and I will show you a bit again. So this is a $259 indicator, so this, consider it as a gift for me. So let's go ahead and let's see what's all about this indicator. This is the best forex trading indicator, and this is a 100% non-repaint indicator, and with an accuracy of 90 to 95%. And how you can use this indicator, let's go ahead and I'll go a little bit here, and let's have a look here. Let me go ahead and I'll open the pen to show you a little bit better how you can use it. So let me go ahead and I will choose this color here. It's yellow because it looks better. So let's have a look here. First, made a red candle on the top. So as you can see here, this is the first made red candle on the candle chart here. Second, made a red line bar. We have the red line bar here, as you can see it here. Yes, and this is a downtrend, this is obvious. And the third, made bottom indicator upper exponential moving average breakout plus price downside after generate a red color. So here, as you can see, it's starting to generate a red color, so this is obvious that the trend will go down. And the fourth, made bottom indicator price down, which is here, and generate the red color bottom second indicator. And five, for confirmation after take instantly sell entry. And also we have it here, as you can see, we have a strong sell. It's 75% that this will be a down trade and 25 up trade. So this scenario here, it is for, let me go ahead and I'll close the window. It's for here, for the last candles from here. So as you can see now, let me go ahead and I'll put again the pen here. As you can see here, it is it will be a downtrend here, because all we have to do is to wait for the next candle, the red candle. We are also here in this scenario, we have this red candles formed here on this exponential moving average, and also in the ultimate trend following Christo bars here, we have green candles, but we will wait for a red candle that will tell us the trend, it will start to go down again. So we have an uptrend here. This indicator works better on H1 on a 1 hour chart and also 4 hour chart. So this is tested by me on 1 hour and 4 hours also. So this is a good to have indicator because it will show you the exact confirmation when of a trend reversal. This is the same thing for a buy. As you can see here, we have a form candle, a green candle here. Also here we have a blue candle, and so I changed the color of the candles. So now it will be here we have the green candle that is formed. As you can see here, it is let me put again the pen. um, let's put it on yellow, and we have the green candle form. So you have to wait until the third candle in order to place an uptrend. And also here we have these two free candles. At the third candle you can start and place a candle, and we have the third confirmation here on the Christo bars that this will be an uptrend. And now here we should wait for the red candle, to occur, because we have here this signal that this is a strong down trade. All right, so let me go ahead and I'll close the pen. So this ultimate trend following indicator helps you to identify trend reversals quickly and accurately. And the secret behind its accuracy is the fact that the indicator combines price action and multiple sophisticated market timing algorithms to determine these significant turning points in the markets. The way you can be sure you have the best chance to join the trend with perfect timing and hopefully extract more profits from the trend than anybody else. Once the ultimate trend following indicator has spotted a reversal, it clearly displays these buy or sell alerts on your chart, showing you exactly where possible reversal may occur. This indicator works extremely well, as I said, for longer time frames like 1 hour and 4 hours time frame. The ultimate trend following indicator reacts very fast to market changes, so the ultimate trend following indicator never repaints and is versatile trading tool suitable to trade all kinds of forex currency pairs around the market. Moreover, it suits all sorts of time frame charts available within forex MT4 trading platforms. Based on volatility and price action calculation, this new ultimate trend following indicator is the most accurate trading tool I know of for scalping, day trading, the intraday charts, so as swing trading. Let me go ahead and now I will show you how you can download for free this indicator, because you are my follower of my YouTube channel. Let me go ahead and first thing first, go here to my website. I'll put a link below this video again to my website, and it will take you here to my blog. And here you will have ultimate forex following scalping indicator. Click on this one here, and here it is the review about this indicator. And all you have to do, you can read the review again. One one little thing that I want you to do for me is to share this indicator on your Twitter, on your Facebook. You can use these buttons here, and here you can share this blog post to your friends. This is all I ask in return of this indicator. And then go down here on the bottom of the page, you will find these buttons here, these green buttons. Go here and click on download the indicator, and download the template also if you want the template, and you can save it somewhere. Let's go ahead and I'll click on it to see it's working, and that's it. And now you can download somewhere on your computer. So it will look something like this. You'll have it here. For those of you who don't know how to install the indicator on their MT4 platform. First thing first, it will be an archived file. All you have to do is to click here on the right and just extract here. Click on extract here, and you will see this MQL4 file. Just open this one, click here on indicators, and just copy. Click on copy, and then all you have to do is to go to your MT4 platform, go to file, open data folder, MQL4, then go to indicators and paste here that file, indicator file. Go here, click on refresh, and you will see like this one, indicators. And if you click on the indicators, you'll see ultimate trend following bars, filter, Christo bars, and scalping also. If you want to download the template, you have to do the same thing. Go here to your computer where you downloaded the file. Yes, go to templates and just copy this file here. It is a TPL file, and again you have to go here to your MT4 platform, click on file, then go to open data folder, then go to templates and paste that file here. As you can see, I already have it here, ultimate trend following indicator template, and that's it. All you have to do is go here to refresh the page, and then just drag and drop the indicator on any chart you want to use it. So it's working on every chart, H4 and H1 time frame. You can use it on any time frame you want, but on these two I saw that is working the best. So that's it. Please follow, please just share that blog page to your friends after you see that is working, and you can upload it to your MT4 platform and you see if everything is okay. Share that page. It will help me a lot, and I hope this helps. I hope you will enjoy this indicator. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. If you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area. And if you like the video, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.